Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Google Photos as JPG. You have to start by open your browser and then write Google Photos. Sign in into your account and make sure that you use your current account. So this one is not mine, I wanna change it. You can also add some account by click add another account. Okay, now select photo what you wanna save. Let's say I wanna only this one. Click at the three dots and download. And as you can see, this photo will be saved to your computer automatically as JPG. Unless the original photo what you upload to Google Photos was in another format like PNG. Okay, now let's try to save multiply photos. Let's say this one, also three dots and also download. So it will save as zip file here. And we can open it, and right here, as you can see, we still have JPG format. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.